Hi guys, quick little update. Woke up this morning with a new parcel at my door. I eventually pulled the trigger and got myself like proper sized Grizzla side pads. I know everyone has been riding these things for years and I've just been not wanting to pull the trigger, but it was Black Friday. They had a really good deal on the plain black ones. So I thought to myself, just shut up, get some proper pads because I want to fit it to my S22 because I've got the large normal Grizzla pads, the standard pads, but I went for the flow ones. But the box arrived, opened it, check out the stuff, man. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm super excited to fit this stuff. It is so this is all the stuff that comes in the box. You get a nice scraper, and I assume this is to take off any of your old grip tape, or not grip tape, any of your old Velcro. So that's quite cool. Nicely branded, nice stickers to go on my helmet, and I think that's definitely gonna go onto my wheel. But geez, the quality of this stuff is like really nice. I went for the black with the red inserts because I like black and gray. I also went for the reflective inserts, specifically here in the UK, so people can see me. But it's pre-fitted Velcro, really nicely done, man. Really nicely. Look at the details there. It's just like not the details, but the fitment of it. Just really nice. And this is the brake pads, so you've got some reflectors there at the back and then also on the side. But again, very nice. Oh man, it smells beautiful. And then you also get some these are the things that allow you to preset the stuff, so you can fit it back to where it usually needs to go. And then I've got some wide Velcro. So this is the loop side, and I think the other one is the hook side. But yeah, more than enough Velcro in the box. But man, super excited to get this stuff fitted. So let's go and try it out. So these are my current pads for my S22, and this is just the normal Grizzla, the large ones, but it's the standard, the front and back. But I want to try them on my M10-4, or if I do get a Falcon, maybe they will fit better on the Falcon because it just doesn't have enough adjustment. Specifically, it's not tall enough here. If I put this all the way down, it's not tall enough here to so I can ride on my shin on the front here. But yeah, let's quickly fit the one side and just check it out. I'll do adjustments when the storm has passed. But yeah, we've just been having such bad weather and it's just not great at all. So can't get out. Wanted to do some riding, but it's gale force winds and it's raining like mad. So was the best thing to do. The second best thing to do to riding is buying EUC spares and parts, or upgrades at least. Okay, so let's fit and let's see how it looks like. Just a quick little thing. Just I'm going to try this tool to get in between the hook and loop, and man, does this work really well. You don't have to basically destroy your fingers. Chickalang, boom. Okay, let's fit these beasts on, and as you can see, this covers a really nice sort of angle. And then I assume the back ones is going to be, what is it, the top parts. I think I've got the wrong one. Let me go and get the other one. Okay, so I've got the proper right-sided one. And yeah, it's this little adjustment, so you can lock it and adjust it like that. Pretty cool. I'm just gonna fit it so you can see how it looks like. But man, how cool is this with all the adjustment? A little bit loose, and I think it's going to be like something like that. But look at the angle. I've got so much more adjustability, and on the top and the bottom, it's going to make such a big difference. I don't know why I haven't done this in ages, but yeah, I think it's probably because I was sort of content with the pads I had, and it worked for what I wanted to actually achieve. Didn't do massive jumps or whatever. But what I'll do with these ones is I'll actually replace the Velcro, or probably glue up the Velcro again. Then these ones should be good for another wheel, because they have been lasting perfect, you know, perfect, no issues. But yeah, I think I've just been content with how it works and how it feels. I never needed to get anything else. But now, you know, it's so nice to do a little upgrade to your wheel now and then, because as you guys have seen, most of these things, the prices has just gone up and up and up and up, and it's almost the same price as a small little motorbike. So it's difficult to buy something that is expensive and then go and buy more stuff for it. You know, I've got the side fairings from Grizzla when I bought my original Grizzla pads, and that made a massive difference to the S22. But yeah, it's you know, the new wheels is sitting at over 3,000 pounds. Most of the high-end wheels, where this was like under 3,000 pounds. And it's still a great wheel, you know. Yes, the suspension and the sliders are a little bit annoying and needs a little bit of maintenance, but it's still a great wheel to cut your teeth into. You know, if you want long travel suspension, it's not the most refined suspension, but it is long travel suspension. And at the end of the day, the wheel looks cool. Doesn't have a lot of range as well. You know, you could do in the summer about 40 miles of my type of riding. But it's just a nice looking wheel. No, I just like the look of the wheel. When the wheel was announced, Falcon, it just looked mean. And if you buy one now, you know, most of the little fine tuning has been done. You can get so many spare parts and upgrades for it that it's definitely worthwhile looking at something if you don't want to spend the top dollar, because you can use that additional money to buy a side fairing and like really nice pads if you don't already have pads. But yeah, guys, that's just a quick little video. It looks epic, so I'm super keen to fit them, adjust them, go out for a ride, and bring you guys along to give you some feedback when I do the riding. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you've bought something awesome for your EOC in the last couple of months or whatever, please drop it in the comments below. I'd like to know what you guys spend your money on. Okay, well, keep well, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.